Today I'm talking all about high-end clients. And if you've seen my previous video on how to find high-end clients, then I hope you're watching this one because today I'm going to be talking about how to actually attract those clients once you found them. Hi, I'm Jody-Ann, founder of the Event Certificate, and I work with event planners to help them book more clients and double their revenue. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, be sure to do so now. Just hit that subscribe button so that you can get weekly tip videos like this one to help you grow your event planning business. So this is one I even struggled with as an event planner, and that's finding the high-end clients who are willing to pay for your services above and beyond. Now, I've told you how to find them, but now I want you to focus on how to attract them to you. Because you found them, that's great, but you do need to have your business set up in a way that will ensure that you get booked, will guarantee that your business will be so attractive to a luxury seeking client that they will have no chance, no other choice but to sign on that dotted line. So the first tip for finding high-end clients is that you actually need to design high-end services. I know this sounds very simple and generic, but when you're working with a certain type of clients, you tend to attract who you write your packages for. So if you write generic packages that is not clear, you will attract a certain type of client, whether that's a certain type of bride with a set budget, and it's not clear to them why it is that you're not lowering your prices to meet their budget. When you write and design your services and your packages for that high-end client, it will be clear to someone who cannot afford your services why you're not the planner for them. So think about how you've written everything in your marketing materials and how you can actually change that. You need to speak to the high-end client needs. So they are looking for someone to cater to their needs, to take control of the event, to take control of the budget, to listen to exactly what they want and give them the vision. So I want you to take the time to outline from A to Z all the benefits that you provide and everything that you'll be providing to this client. Once that is clear, I promise you that you will only attract the clients who are able to afford that package. Because when you aren't clear, what you do is you attract clients who think that that package is for them, but they can't afford it, and hence that's why you start getting them asking for discount and negotiating your prices. And if you don't want that, this tip is important. Tip number 2 is your branding needs to be consistent. And I see that this is one that so many event planners make a mistake with, that you're looking for high-end clients. However, your branding, the image of your company does not reflect that. I go on their website and they're offering discount, they're offering free consultations, everything about their image and their branding presence is giving me the option to ask for discounts, to be negotiating prices. Now, if you're looking for high-end luxury clients, you need to change that. You need to be speaking more to what your business does and how it can help, and remove the coupons, the discounts, the free, all those wordings that give your client the impression, because perception is everything, and it gives them the impression that it is okay for your prices to be lowered to meet what they're looking for. Then I want you to change it. So go ahead and take a look at your current materials and really assess them. Do you have any coupon codes? Are you offering any discount? Are you offering any free bonuses and additions? Look at that, and I want you to update it, because if you're trying to attract a certain type of client, it's important that your branding is consistent across all of your business items. So your social media accounts, your website, your marketing materials, wherever your services are listed, it needs to be consistent. Tip number 3 is to update your prices to reflect your goal. I know this is a scary one for a lot of people, but hear me out. If you're trying to attract high-end clients and you're charging or undercharging for your services, then it seems that you are a cheaper event planner. If you really do want to work with high-end luxury clients who are willing to pay a certain price, you need to update your prices to ask for that. So if you're currently asking $1,000 for a package that really should be $3,000, go ahead and change that right now. I know that this will eliminate some customers who will contact you, but that's okay. That's exactly what you want. You want only the clients who are willing to pay the price that you're asking to reach out and engage with you, because those are who you're trying to work with. The ones who don't contact you anymore weren't your ideal clients. They won't be willing to increase their budget to meet that, and you've just solved one of your biggest problems. So here's a key piece of tip I want to leave with you. Attracting high-end clients and transitioning your business to that model does not come overnight. It will mean that you need to review your business, invest the time and money to make your branding better and more appealing so that you can have and work with the clients that you really desire. So what I want you to do is I want you to commit to using the strategies in this video and really take a good look at your business and how it can be changed. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below and I'm happy to answer them for you.